Hey, this is Justin with A to Z Quality Fencing. Wanted to share you a success story from A to Z Quality Fencing from last week. We installed a Shadowbox fence up in Belgium, Wisconsin. It's actually a Cedar Shadowbox Convex fence. It's very beautiful, but I wanted to share it with you, and here's a picture of the fence. We use northern white cedar, which comes from northern Michigan. It's acclimated to the weather that we have here in Wisconsin. We still do the post pounding method, so we pound the pipe into the ground about 4 to 5 feet and then sleeve that post right over the top of that pipe that's exposed out of the ground, and then we're able to install the fence. It's high quality material. With the Shadowbox fence, you can do it one of three ways. You can do it straight top, you can do it convex, or you can do concave. Convex is the arch, concave is going to be the scallop. If you want to get an installation from us for this specific product, visit our website at atozqualityfencing.com. If you wanted to do it yourself, you could certainly buy the materials from us. Please visit our sister company, atozfencesupplies.com, where you can place your order for a new Shadowbox fence.